Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next pyq of Linear Algebra asked in Csirnet December 2023. So our question is, let A is equals to Aij be n cross n real matrix with Aij is equals to I into j. For all I and j in between 1 and n, if n is greater than or equals to 3, which of the following is an eigenvalue of A? And this is the option. So here we have given A, which is n cross n matrix, and whose entries are what? I into j. So if we consider 3 cross 3 matrix, here n is greater than 3 or equals to 3. So if we take the n cross n matrix, that is 3. That is 3 cross 3 matrix. We take n is equals to 3, we get 3 cross 3 matrix. So how is its entry? It is Aij. We know the first term is A11. If we draw this matrix, this is A11, A12, A13. This is A21, it is A22, A23. It is A31, A32, and this is A33. It is defined at I into j. This is your I into this is your j. We have to predict these terms. Okay. So what is the matrix here? A1 1 into 1 1, 1 into 2 2, 1 into 3 3. Here 2 into 1 2, 2 to the 4, and 2 3 6, and 3 into 3, 3 to the 6, and 3 to 9. So we get what? We get this matrix. If we apply this condition, we see this matrix is what? This is a symmetric matrix, real symmetric matrix. And if we apply the row operation here, we will see this matrix have rank 1 only. If we multiply 2 with r1 and subtract by this row, we get this row 0. Again multiply 3 by r1 and subtract with r3, we get this row 0. So by applying the row elementary form, we get what? This row and this row become 0, and we get only one row non-zero. So we get the only one rank matrix. So if the matrix is of rank 1, by applying row transformation, we obtain what? We obtain this type of matrix. 1 2 3, here becomes 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. So what? This is a rank 1 matrix. So if the matrix is of rank 1, then what is the eigenvalue of that matrix? Then eigenvalue is trace of that matrix. Let the matrix is A, and trace of this matrix A, and rest value are 0. So what is the trace of this matrix? This trace of this matrix is 14. So it is 14, 0, 0. This is an eigenvalue of this matrix. So now what the question says, which of the following is an eigenvalue of A? Now if we put one by one here, as 1 is not an eigenvalue of this matrix, as we see, if n is 3, 3 is also not eigenvalue of this matrix. If we put 3 here, 3 into 4 into 2, that is 6. That 6 is not an eigenvalue of this matrix. If we put here 3, what we get? 3 into 4 into 3 to 6 into 7 upon 6, that is equals to 14. So here we see 40 is an eigenvalue of this matrix, and 0 and 0 is also satisfied in this representation. So this is an eigenvalue of this matrix. If you want, you can do it by 4 cross 4, 5 cross 5. We get the same result for all the matrix of n cross n, which is greater than or equals to 3. So this is a solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.